Is your Bose SoundLink Revolve II acting weird for absolutely no reason? Won't turn on, keeps disconnecting, battery disappearing suspiciously fast, or the Bose app pretending your speaker doesn't even exist? Yeah, annoying. The good news is most of these issues are way easier to fix than they seem. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes to get things working again. And before we jump in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes. First, let's fix a Bose SoundLink Revolve II that will not turn on, because power problems are one of the most common issues. Plug the speaker directly into a wall outlet using a charging cable and adapter that you know works. Check for charging lights on the speaker to confirm it is receiving power. If no lights appear, try another cable, adapter, or wall outlet to rule out a charging issue. If the speaker still does not turn on, leave it charging for about an hour since a fully drained battery may need extra time to respond. Then press the power button to test it again. If it still stays off, don't worry. We'll move into additional troubleshooting steps, including a factory reset later in the video. Now let's tackle Bluetooth disconnects. If your music keeps cutting out, move your device closer to the speaker and away from Wi-Fi routers or other wireless devices that may cause interference. Then remove unused Bluetooth connections. Restart both the speaker and your phone or tablet. Reconnect and test again. Quick note, I've added links to my recommended products in the description below. Some of these may be affiliate links, which help support the channel at no extra cost to you. If Bluetooth still disconnects, try pairing the speaker with another phone or tablet. This helps narrow down whether the problem is coming from the speaker or the original device. Also, check for software updates, because updates can improve connection stability and fix known Bluetooth issues. If the battery drains too quickly, lower the volume and test the speaker during normal use, since very high volume can reduce battery life faster. Also, disconnect unused Bluetooth devices because multiple active connections may increase battery usage. If the battery still drains quickly after trying these steps, replacing the battery can help a lot, especially on older speakers. You can find replacement batteries on Amazon, and I've included links in the description below. Next, fully charge the speaker and use it normally until the battery runs low. This helps you check whether the battery is still performing properly. If it drains unusually fast, even after a full charge, the battery may be wearing out, especially on older speakers. Now let's fix problems where the Bose Connect app cannot find the speaker. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on and confirm the speaker is powered on. Then close and reopen the Bose Connect app. If the speaker still does not appear, restart your phone and try again. After that, press and hold the Bluetooth button until the light starts blinking blue. When it begins flashing, reopen the Bose Connect app and check if the speaker appears. If the app still cannot find the speaker, remove it from your phone's Bluetooth settings, restart both devices, reconnect, and test again. If possible, try another phone or tablet to rule out a device issue. If none of these fixes work, try a factory reset by holding the power button for about 10 seconds, then set the speaker up again. If problems continue, the issue is likely hardware-related and may require repair or replacement. That's it for this video on Bose SoundLink Revolve II troubleshooting. I hope this guide helps you get your speaker working again. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple and helpful tech fixes. If one of these methods worked for you, or you are still facing the issue, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.